Hey Royals, today we are diving right into mission organization. Today's video is being sponsored by Lifewit. They sent over this storage bundle of large capacity storage bags as well as under the bed garment bags and also these totes. They couldn't have come at a more perfect time, guys. It's that I'm on a mission to get my house in tip-top organized shape. So I'm diving right in, you guys. I am starting here with these sheets. I am using the under the bed storage bag because this is perfect if you are limited on storage space in your home. This gives you the option to store items underneath your bed neatly and safely. It is free from bugs and residue, and it will give you the convenience of having those items readily available when you have guests in your home. I am pushing the envelope, guys. I want to see just how much I can get stored in these bags. So watch as I neatly store all of these items in each bag. I too was amazed. So if you need some cleaning and organizing motivation, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Stay to the end because I have a nice treat. I was so motivated, I threw a little something extra in. But you have to stick around until the end to see what that treat is. So one storage container is filled. I was able to get 6 sets of sheets in one container. I am impressed. Now, guys, you have heard me say in recent videos that a true luxe home is a clean and organized home. And I am all about fulfilling that in my home this year. That is one of my strategies of self-care, is to rid myself of anything that causes me anxiety, stress, or just unnecessary pressures. And to me, nothing is more relaxing than having my home nice, clean, and organized. And we know that with the cares of life, it doesn't always stay that way, but whatever I can do to keep it that way as much as possible, that is what I am aiming to do. So this storage solution is a win-win in my opinion. Now here, guys, you see I am really trying to push the envelope with my storage capacity. I have 5 blankets in here, and I realize that it's just too stuffed. And although these pieces by Lifewit are very well made, I don't want to run the risk of damaging the storage bags during the storage process, and I want them to easily slide underneath the bed. So I opted, as you see, to take that one out. So that is complete. Now let's move on to the large capacity ones. Now this one, I'm definitely going to push the envelope. I have a massive collection of throws and blankets that I love so much, but I knew that I needed to get them stored in a better format than what I had them. They were in different rooms and different spaces, and I'm always having to play the guessing game to figure out where I put the last round of throws. But this way, if I keep them all in the same container or in the same area, I can go and grab them easily when I am ready for them. And so, guys, as you see, I have several blankets added in this bag, as well as some of my little faux fur decorative pieces that I use to create vignettes on. And there is still more space. So, being the challenger that I am, I'm going to go ahead and add some window panels in this bag as well. And as I'm adding those, I'm noticing I have more space. So, let's add a little more. But again, I want to do it with ease and comfort. I don't want the bag to be overstuffed. But if I can get more in there, that is the purpose of having them all stored and readily available. So let's see how this works out. And to my surprise, they all fit. I was able to get 3 sets of curtains, 4 blankets, and accent pieces. Amazing. So I thought, let's push the envelope even further. Here, guys, I am going to attempt to add a full bedding ensemble in the storage bags. After all, it says it is extra large capacity, so we're going to see. The purpose of doing these videos is to show you guys the durability and capability of these products. And so here I have and this is a king size comforter, in case you're wondering, as well as the pillow shams to that set. I have more space, so let's see what else we can get in here. This is one of my favorite throws, and so I'm going to add that in. It fits comfortably. That's my victory dance. I'm listening to my favorite girl, Mary J, and she is taking me in. So look, I got 2 full-size throw blankets and a king-size comforter set, all in one bag. So this is my victory dance. Like, yeah, storage is on fleek. Do the kids even say that anymore? Storage is lit. Let's go with that. I am excited about it because nothing feels better than getting my home whipped into tip-top organized shape. As you see, I'm able to zip it up easily without any pressure or strain, and voila. Let's move on to the next one. And these again, guys, are the extra large storage bags. Now this is a queen size comforter set, but it is substantially thicker than the king size. So I was a little concerned, but with a little bit of finessing, we're able to get it easily stored in the bag. Guys, I am so impressed with these bags, in fact, that I've already placed an order for another set. You'll find the link to Lifewit in my description box. Because you don't have to use them for bedding. You can use them for sweaters, for t-shirts, for special items. Just whatever you want to store with them. And so we have them all stored. And many of you have asked where I keep a lot of my items at. Now, predominantly Christmas decor is up here. But because I want to keep my bedding readily available for when I need them, I'm going to add them up here as well. So with the assistance of my beautiful niece Ananda, we are getting them stored away. As well as those beautiful K-Gorge window panels. Hint, hint, another winter refresh is on the horizon. So be on the lookout for that, guys. So now that I have all of that stored away, I felt so good that I wanted to whip up the bathroom and give it a nice little refresh and show you where I use the little basket set. So this bathroom, guys, I did it in this color, probably summer, and I absolutely love it. So it has held up for fall, Christmas, and now winter style, and I love the richness that the black gives into the space. I just simply switched out a few pieces and gave it a nice refresh. And this, you guys, is the battle of all battles. Both my daughter and my niece now have their own basket so that their personal items are stored away, and there is no argument over who touched whose material. So all is well in the royal house. All is clean and organized in the royal house, and I am happy about it. Now, if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, guys, and join the royal family. I would love to take you along on this lifestyle journey with me. Now to my tried and choose and my brand new boos, you already know how I love and appreciate you. Thank you, guys, for your continued support. I want to invite you all to connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Guys, I also have an Amazon store that you can shop 7 days a week, 24 hours a day for your purchasing pleasures. Until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourself a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.